Hey everyone, I'm very excited because in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Ulanzi RT-02 Teleprompter. It's a game-changing tool for anyone involved in content creation. I will show you how it works, what makes it special, and why it might be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. If you've ever struggled with memorizing scripts or delivering lines naturally on camera, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. Stick around to see how this teleprompter can make your content creation process smoother, faster, and way more professional. Let's take a look on what's inside the box. When you open it, you'll find everything you need to get it started. First, there is the teleprompter itself, which is compact yet sturdy. It comes with different lens rings, so you can easily fit it to your camera or device. For phone or tablet recording, there is the mounting bracket to securely attach your device. For laptops as well, it has a special mount, making it versatile for both content creation and virtual meetings. You'll also get a small remote control to adjust the script. Actually, this is the one I use it right now. Also, you get a cleaning cloth to keep the glass clear. The setup is simple and hassle-free, no extra parts or accessories to worry about. So, what's a teleprompter exactly? A teleprompter is a device that displays a script in front of the camera lens, allowing you to read it while maintaining eye contact with the camera. The text scrolls at your preferred speed, making it easy to deliver your lines smoothly and naturally, without the need to memorize everything or look away from the camera. Now, why is this so helpful? If you're like me, trying to remember your entire script while sounding natural can be a real challenge. A teleprompter lets you stay on track, look confident on camera, and create better videos without the stress of memorizing everything or doing multiple takes. It's a total game changer. For example, before having a teleprompter, I would write the scripts on a paper, and I will always try to memorize 1 or 2 lines and then go back on the camera and try to reproduce it. This was fine, but it will take me a lot of time to edit it after, and it was not such a much of a pleasure for me to stay so many hours on edits, and I want to focus on creating new content instead. Let's talk about design. The Ulanzi RT-02 works great with DSLR cameras, making it ideal for professional quality videos, but it's not limited to just that. It's also compatible with smartphones, tablets, and laptops, so it's super versatile. The setup is straightforward, no touch skills needed, plus it comes with lenses rings to match your setup. I just put it on the camera. It's a simple mirror on this side, and through the camera side it's a see-through glass. Also, you have to be careful on your lens size, because I do have a Sony ZV-E10 kit lens, and I have noticed that the ring the size of the lens is too small for this teleprompter. Therefore, I had to order a new lens for my camera. Anyhow, it was my plan to get a better quality, and now I think I have a 67-inch diameter lens. I'm not sure if I'm correct. Anyhow, now it fits my teleprompter. Also, the price, I just got the teleprompter for just $50. That's right, a professional grade teleprompter for less than the price of a nice dinner. It's a steal for the features and quality you get, and trust me, your time is worth way more than $50. What I love about it, it's lightweight and compact, perfect for creators on the go, plus the crystal clear glass ensure you can read your script easily without sacrificing video quality. You viewers won't even know you're using it. For example, this is the quality of the camera with the teleprompter on, and now I will take it off so you can see how it is without. Okay, and this is the quality of the camera without the teleprompter. I'm as well curious how it should look like, but in my opinion should be the same. I don't know. At this price, the Ulanzi RT-02 is unbeatable. You're getting professional features at an affordable price. Whether you're in YouTube, filmmaking, or just need to nail a presentation, this tool will take your videos to the next level. I've been using it for a few days now and it's made filming so much easier and fun. No more retakes or forgetting the lines. It's smooth sailing from here. Check out my other videos for more cool gadgets that can help with your content creation. I've got some awesome tools that can elevate your video production process. If you got any questions or curiosities, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time. Bye.